So hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to start with a new topic, that is introduction to the variables. Yeah, it is the same variable that we have learned in our school time in mathematics. No, many of the students don't love the mathematics, but as you have chosen the programming as your career, you must love the mathematics. Okay, because it is necessary. As you have chosen engineering, maybe you are doing BCA or any tech background degree, you must love mathematics. That's why you are here right now. It might be a reason because of your parents. Okay, let's not go into that topic. Okay, so today's topic is introduction to variable. So what is meant by variable? Variable, the name defines that variable means it has variety in its name only. Okay, a thing or a entity that changes, varies. Okay, that's why we called it as an variable. Okay, a quantity or an entity which changes. Okay, with time to time as per our uses. Okay, that's why we call it as a variable. Variable can be anything. Usually we define alphabets as an variable, as an assumed value. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start with the coding. I'll always say that in computer science, especially in programming, it's always good to demonstrate to the students rather than teaching or theory in the blackboard or reading the presentations on the board. Okay, rather than just demonstrate them, they will understand it better. Okay, so we will jump to the directly to the programming. I have opened the tab. I have already opened my tab. Okay, this and I hope and you should be familiar with now this terminal. Okay, this is a Replit terminal. If you're not, please go and watch my all previous three videos. I have explained from starting and from the scratch. Okay, so in this video also we will start with our favorite command, that is print command. Okay, there is a reason behind I am only writing about I am only doing about print command is the students, college students, they feel that print command is close to them because it is a very simple and it is a very, you know, some words or some persons or some things are very close to us. That type print command is also very close to the beginners. Okay, that's why I have chosen print command. Okay, so let's not talk. Let's jump up to the uh, topic. I will say print 10. Okay, I already told you in previous video what does it do. It will just print a 10 as it can print a numerical. We have clearly seen that in previous video and very slowly. Okay, I will not waste my time here. Okay, okay, we know that. Let's do some mischiefs. Okay, there is something something in my mind. I'm very much curious, so I do variable. I do variables in math. There are some students who says that the mathematicians are such an bad persons or such an fool that they don't have enough syllabus. That's why they introduce alphabets in mathematics. Yeah, some students say that. Okay, so I will just show you what I'm doing. Okay, just so this I have written my program, the smallest program. Just get the output in your mind. What will be the output of this code? Yeah, what will be the output? Yeah, this is a previous output. Okay, this is not an output of now. This is a previous output. Just tell me what will be the output. Yeah, output will be the A. Yeah, some of the students might get it as an A. Who those who get it as an 10 is the correct one. Right? I will show. We will get an output 10 because it does simply as we have done in mathematics in our school times. Okay, it will, what will we do? It will assign a value 10 to the A variable. Okay, then what we are told to computer that print A, whatever the value that has assigned to the variable A, it will be printed out. Okay, that's so simple, nothing crazy about it. Okay, the crazy has been coming now. Okay, let's I will show you how. Okay, so print A has been there. Let's take and some more example. So you must be clear because rather than just talking and explaining the things, you should go hand in hand with my video only. Okay, you should open your browser in another tab, or you should try it on the same screen while running the video only. It will be helpful for you only. Okay. After that, you will not have interest to open and just do programming. Okay, some of the students don't have, some of them have. Okay, so I will write print B. Okay, what will it happen? The first thing will be printed as an A, then second will be 20. Here the program is getting ended. Okay, let's do some magic. Yeah, some magic. Not a magic really comes. Magic comes in 2 minutes. Okay, see. Stay with me. Okay, if you want to see magic, stay with me. So A equals to 10. Now what will I do? I will A do. Let I will not say anything. You just see what I'm doing. Okay, it will be more useful when you do with me simultaneously. A equals to A plus 1. Before that, I'll say print a, print a. Then this is print a plus one. Now I will again say print a. Yeah. So answer me in comment section before. I hope you are trustworthy persons. Answer in me in comment section. What will the output of this code? Okay. Before I run it. Okay. What will the output? Yeah. Yeah. Guess it. Both the output will be 10. No, both the output will be not 10, because see, this equation does not have any sense in mathematics, in our conventional algebra. Okay, it doesn't have any sense. It is a totally nonsense statement, because in mathematics, what we simply do, we cancel a from LHS and RHS, and it will hold the equation 0 equals to 1, which is not possible. That's why it doesn't have any sense. Okay, but in computer science, it is the most useful statement. Most useful. It is called as an increment statement. Okay, so what will it do? It basically do, for the new value of a, it will take existing value of a and add the one in it, and store that new value and assign it to the a, and we will have print a. I will just demonstrate you. You will clearly see that what happens. Yeah, we have 11. We have first print a, that is a 10, and then we have done some operation here, and we printed the value of a again. Then we have 11. Yeah. So why this happens? Because here we have incremented the a by 1. Okay, here what we have done, we have taken the existing value of a, added 1 in it, and stored it again in the a. That's why we get a equals to 11. Yeah, it's that simple. Nothing crazy about it, and it's not a big deal. Okay, a big deal is going to come. Okay, now what will I do? I will simply do some. I'm doing my hard work. Okay, I'm making my life harder after by doing this, but you must understand what I'm exactly doing. uh, yeah, I will print. Yeah, this is 10, 11, 12, 13. What you can see that the values are incrementing. How it is incrementing? Because we have we are using the increment statement. No, let me clear it. uh, Instead of it, we can also do this a plus 1 and then print it. Okay. Now also output will be the same. Okay, I hope it is a self-explanatory, no need to explain it. Okay, so a equals to a plus 1, then we have the incremented value on our right side. We can clearly see, that's why it is called as incremented mean. Incrementing means one step ahead. In our real life also, we also needs to be incremented day by day. Yeah. Okay, just deleted all the points. Okay, now we will see the magic. What I will write print, enter the number. Yeah, I have written that. Enter the number. Okay. Now I will run this program. As you all know, it will just so enter the number. Okay, and program has been ended. How I know the program has been ended? Here you can see some 3 points like in Python. Okay, three arrow points. That explain us that program has been ended. Okay. Now what will I do? Please enter the number. I will simply take an input from the user. Here user is you. In I am doing program, here user is me. And if you are doing your program, user is you. Okay. But in most of the projects that application you have developed, like WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, the users is the customers. Okay, customers or the persons who are stuck in matrix. Okay, so I will write input statement here. Clearly notice, huh? Notice it. I will what I'm doing here. Okay, and equals to integer input. This is called as input statement. So what is exactly doing it here? I'm doing it here. What does this statement means? This statement means, uh, whenever this statement comes in a Python program, it always states that take an input from the user, convert it into an integer, and assign the value to the n. Yeah, that's the statement says. Always read the statement. Go logical, yeah. You must not learn the programs. Many students learn the program, they ended up with the cheating and getting an KT in exams. But you must not do cheating. You must logically understand what is happening on the screen. How computer is how complement computer is understanding it. Okay, so here, what computer does, taking an input from the user, then converting it into an integer, and then storing it into assigning it to the n. Okay, n variable. Okay, now I will run this program. This is not completed program. How I catch that the program is not completed yet? Because the three hello points has not been shown here. The cursor is waiting for us to write the program. No one waits for us in real life. Okay, no one. but the cursor is waiting for us. That's why I love the technology. I love the electronic devices. Okay, no one waits in real life. So I will enter the number. I will enter 10, my favorite number. I have entered the 10. Now I'm I press the enter key. The program has been ended. How I know the program has been ended? The three dots get appeared here. Okay. Now I will do some more editing in this program. I will write print n. So I will run this program now. Yeah, the program has not been completed yet. I will enter the number. This time I will enter the number 57. So I will press the enter key. This time it doesn't get ended right up here. It first goes to this statement. This run. How the program works, I will tell you. It goes step by step. Okay. First, it reads this statement. Okay, from left to right. What this statement does says enter the number. So programmer or the compiler does the same. Enter the number. Then what? It comes to the second instruction line. Okay, second number line. So what second number line of instruction said? It says that take the input from the user. So I have inserted my input. So so now the compiler goes to the third instruction. What the third instruction? That print that n value. Now the n value has been printed. That's all. It is a simple, not a big deal. Okay. Yeah. Now what I will do? I will simply increment it. Print n plus one. Print. Sorry. Print n plus one. Print n plus two. Print n plus three. Yeah. Now my favorite number is 100. Yeah, my favorite number goes changes time to time because I am also a variable. Joking part. Okay. 100. So enter. Not here enter. Yeah. Here enter. Yeah. So program has been run out. What I have got? I have got the value 100. Then I incremented n plus 1, 101, 1 not 1, 1 not 2, 1 not 3. Okay, that's simple. Just ignore it now. What the statement is being doing here, I will explain you when I will tell you about data types. Okay, data input types. Okay, so before that, just just keep in your mind what this statement does. This statement, yeah, here you can see. Hint, yeah. Our artificial intelligence giving us a hint. Yeah, what hint is it given? If convert a number or a string to an integer. Okay, yeah, it simply does the same. Whatever the input has been taken, it will convert it into an integer and it will assign it to an n. Yeah, that's so simple. Okay, so now I have to end up this session here. I'm making this short session to just not bored you. You must have an extra time for other activities also. Just watch one video daily. It will helpful for you. Okay, so stay tuned. Subscribe the video. Share with your friends on Instagram or anything. Okay, put this on your story. Follow me. Okay, that's all. I'm closing it now. And stay healthy. Happy learning. Okay.